1.1 Python, Object-Oriented Programming. Python is an excellent programming language that supports OOP. We will use it to define a class with attributes and methods, which we'll then call. Python offers several benefits compared to other programming languages like Java, C++, or R. It's a dynamic language with high-level data types. The concept of OOP in Python focuses on creating reusable code. Overview of object-oriented programming terminology. Class: a user-defined prototype for an object, defining a collection of characteristic properties for any class object. The attributes are data members and methods available by dot notation, class variables, and instance variables. Variable of class: a variable shared by all class instances. In a class, but outside of a class method, class variables are specified. Class variables are not utilized as often as they are. Data member: a variable of class or instance that contains class and object-related data. Function overloading: assigning a specific function to more than a behavior. The operation carried out differs by object type or parameter. Instance variable: a method-defined variable that belongs only to the present class instance. Inheritance: the transmission of the class traits to other classes derived from the class. Instance: an particular class object. The circle class is an instance of an object belonging to a circle class, for instance. Instantiation: the establishment of a class instance. Method: a specific type of function defined in a definition of class. Object: a unique instance of a class-defined data structure. The object consists of both data members and methods, class and instance variables. Operator overloading: assigned to a specific operator more than one function. Creating classes: a new class definition is created by the class statement. The class name follows the keyword class, followed by a colon. Refer to the following image. Creating instance objects: you call the class with class name to generate instances of a class, and send it to the parameters that the initial function takes. Refer to the following image. Accessing attributes: you access the characteristics of the object through the object dot operator. The following class name is used to retrieve a class variable. Refer to the following image. Now, putting all the concepts together, consider the image for example. Class inheritance: you may start a class by deriving it from a pre-existing class by specifying the parent group in parentheses after your new class name instead of beginning from scratch. The children's class inherits the characteristics of its parent class and can utilize them as stated in the child class. An infant class may also be able to override parent data and methods. Consider the image for example. Overriding methods: you may always change the methods of your parent class. The parent methods are overridden because you may want distinct or different functions in your subclass. Consider the above image for example. Data hiding. A class definition may or may not show the characteristics of an object. It would help if you used a double underline prefix to name characteristics, and then those attributes are not immediately visible to third parties. Kindly refer the below image for example. Thank you.